Shell, officially known as Royal Dutch Shell, is one of the largest and oldest energy companies in the world. Its history dates back to the 19th century and involves a fascinating evolution from a small trading company to a global oil and gas giant. The origins of Shell can be traced back to 1833, when Marcus Samuel, a London-based antique dealer, began importing and selling seashells. His business grew, and by the 1880s, his sons, Marcus Samuel Jr. and Samuel Samuel, expanded into the oil trade, transporting oil from the Caspian Sea to the Far East. In 1897, Marcus Samuel Jr. founded the Shell Transport and Trading Company, named after his father's original seashell business. The company's logo, a scallop shell, became its trademark, symbolizing its maritime heritage. In 1907, Shell merged with the Royal Dutch Petroleum Company, a Dutch oil firm founded in 1890, to form the Royal Dutch Shell Group. This merger was aimed at competing with the American oil giant Standard Oil, giving the new company a stronger global presence. During the early 20th century, Shell expanded rapidly, establishing oil fields and refineries across the globe. Shell played a significant role during both world wars, providing fuel and lubricants to the Allied forces. The company's operations continued to grow, particularly in the Middle East and Asia. After World War II, Shell diversified its operations beyond oil, entering into petrochemicals and natural gas. The company continued to discover new oil fields, particularly in Nigeria and the North Sea, solidifying its position as a leading global energy provider. By the 1980s and 1990s, Shell faced increasing environmental and political challenges, including protests against its operations in Nigeria and criticism over its role in climate change. In response, Shell began investing in renewable energy sources and improving its environmental practices, though it continued to rely heavily on oil and gas. In the 2010s, Shell rebranded itself as an energy company, rather than just an oil company. It made significant investments in natural gas, particularly through its acquisition of BG Group in 2016, and began exploring renewable energy options, including wind and solar. Shell has set ambitious targets to reduce its carbon footprint and transition towards greener energy solutions in response to global climate goals. Today, Royal Dutch Shell operates in over 70 countries and is involved in almost every aspect of the energy sector, from oil exploration and production to refining, distribution, and renewable energy. Shell's legacy is one of innovation, adaptation, and significant influence in shaping the modern energy landscape. Shell's history reflects the broader trends and challenges of the global energy industry, making it a key player in the ongoing transition to a more sustainable energy future.